This video is for all our prepper friends. Today we're going to talk about how to maximize food production and calorie production in your dome for long-term prepping. So for maximum calorie production in your dome, you want to focus on a lot of root vegetables that you can store easily. And we recommend that you grow them in your central bed where your temperature is more stable. You'll get the larger roots. And also, if you've got something shading, you'll get a longer season. Like say you've got a fig tree, which is also, again, very easy to dry or preserve and have for even years to come. Your outer beds are focused on fruit production. Fruits that you'll dry, that you'll can, that you'll put into other dishes, and also have through the winter for antioxidants. That'll be your tomatoes, your peppers, possibly some berries, that kind of thing in your outer beds. Certain fruiting crops like squashes that get enormous, as you know, especially those long winter keeper squashes, and beans and cucumbers. There are certain varieties that grow well in domes, but mostly outdoors. Those things should really be grown on the south side of your dome and utilize that heat coming off the dome. And you'll get better fruit production with that extra heat and that extra sun. A dome is the ultimate prepper tool because you can grow year-round. You can have many cycles of root vegetables. You can have very long producing tomatoes, that kind of thing. And this here is an example of what you'd be working with in your central bed. And you notice behind me, I've got a big bed of carrots that I just seeded, and it'll produce all summer. I'll get very large carrots that I can store easily because you know the larger the root, the easier it is to store out of the refrigerator. And then as far as around the sides, you can grow greens like everybody does, but you have lots of space, especially in a 22 and a 26 and up, to produce a lot of fruit that, like I said, you can dry, you can preserve, you can do all kinds of things with. It's wise to be prepared, and we hope that your dome gardens produce a maximum yield that prepare you for all possibilities.